Now that is where the bulb is. To access it, we have to first open up the hatch. Now we need to get this light out of the body to be able to access the bulb. And we also have to get the black trim piece out. For this job, you will need a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket ratchet combination. 10mm. First thing, get the screwdriver right over there and then push that trim piece up. When you do that, it creates a bit of a slot right there. Now put the screwdriver there and then pry it out, and the cover should just come right out. Now there are those two 10mm bolts. Let's get the 10mm socket ratchet combination and twist it left and take them off one by one and keep it safe. Grab the light and try wiggling this a little bit. You just have to loosen it up a little bit. That's good enough. Now get the screwdriver and put it right where I'm putting. It's important that you put it at the right position. Put it there and then push it down, and now try pulling it outwards. That's going to loosen up the light a little bit more. Now we're going to try and push it inwards. So inwards, outwards at the same position, inwards, outwards. Do that a couple times and that is going to pop the light out. Now those two pins, they go in there. Those two bolts, they go in those holes over there through the light, and that's what keeps the light in place. Now that's the bulb holder for the rear parking light. Just grab it and twist your left to loosen it. And that's it. Now it's loose and you should be able to get it out. To get the bulb out, just grab it and pull it out straight. And if you're not able to do so, get a flathead screwdriver. If you have a smaller one, that's even better. Just put it right where I'm putting and then use that to pry the bulb out. This bulb is bad anyway, so we don't really care about damaging it at this point. Just grab the bulb and out it comes. The bulb size is 168 or 194. Get the new one and simply push it in to secure it in place. Get the bulb holder and put it in the light. You may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in like this. At this point, just twist your right a little bit to lock it, and that's it. Unlock, and now right, that's locked, and that's it. Let's get the light back in position and focus on the front edge. See that little U shape cut out? It goes on that white clip there. It goes on like this. So get it in position. Put some pressure on the front edge as you're pushing the light inwards in the body. Alright, so keep some pressure there, push it, and that's good. See, the light's not sticking out because it's properly installed. Now all we have to do is just install those two 10mm bolts one by one, tighten them up, and let's get that black trim piece cover, get it in position like this, and now push it down to secure it. Okay, that is looking good, and that is pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.